What's something people don't know about the iPhone 13 Pro Max? Stick around as we uncover the hidden gems that keep this device in the game. First off, the design. Sleek, sturdy, with that signature Apple elegance. The ceramic shield front is tougher than any smartphone glass, and let's not forget the textured matte glass back and stainless steel frame. Now, the screen, a massive 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. Brightness up to 1200 nits? Check. True blacks with OLED technology? Absolutely. And for the gamers and scroll lovers, promotion technology with up to a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it's powered by the A15 Bionic chip. Fast? Yes. Efficient? You bet. Whether you're editing 4K videos or playing intensive games, this chip handles it all without breaking a sweat. Camera-wise, get ready for stunning photos with its 1212MP system. Night mode on all cameras, even the telephoto, that's right. Plus, cinematic mode for those who dream of making movie-like videos with just their phone. And battery life? Easily breeze through your day and then some. The iPhone 13 Pro Max doesn't just keep up, it powers you ahead. So is it still worth it? For anyone who wants top-tier performance wrapped in a timeless design, the answer is a resounding yes.